2025 Marvel Chrome 2-box. Pick your color number 4 and 4. Again, shouts out to Ash off of the kill. Conjuring that killer Marjar. Decided to find us something nice. Yeah, there's only 4 spots left in that one. The hell is that? I'm gonna put this stack on the right because I don't know what the heck I just looked at. Alrighty. Good luck, folks. Good luck, good luck, good luck. Mike Wazowski. And we are off. I got Red Wolf on the Anniversary Refractor. Spotted Boy. Colossus. There's Dagger. Where's Cloak on the Refractor? Iron Man. I see a blue. I see a blue for Jay Nelson. Flying Kitty Pride. Colleen Wing. 159 out of 299. Number to 299 for Jay Nelson. Sosa Supreme. Oh, let's not let Falcon juke us out again. Yep, I'm learning. I'm learning. I see a purple shimmy shimmy ya for NFS. For Natasha. Oh, again, right in time for the release of the new Fantastic Four movie. You got hit that with the Fantastic Four. Or however it goes on the song for the release there. I think I hit that. I think I was like right there, man. I think I'm letting the secret get away that I actually was the one that did the vocal lyrics for the Fantastic Four theme. Lockjaw on the Refractor. Annihilus on the Refractor, followed by Aurora. That's Storm. Crossbones got no guns. They edited him out. Fang Fang Foom popping up like crazy. 161 out of 399 for the Dragon. For the Dragon. Golfer. Golfer. And there's Mystique on the Refractor. The hell is that? I see the color, but I don't know what it is. That does just go to the gold spot. 40 out of 50, Luke Cage. Luke Cage. Ash is gonna visit Chippendales. Gold of Chippendales.
I love gold.
And there's the gold with that killer mojo. Thunder from down, or Thunder Down Under. There we go, we got it twice. And there's Quicksilver on there. Every time I see this card, you know what song plays in my head? It's the guitar riff from Bad to the Bone. Da-na-na-na-na-na. You see Luke Cage all Chippendales out? Da-na-na-na-na-na. Insert parallels are nice. Indeed they are. Bad to the bone. Bad. Alrighty, box number 2 again. I saw something in here I looked at, I said, what the hell? So, alright, we'll do what we can to sweat that one out, because I genuinely have no clue what it was. I think I got Deathlock on the refractor. Oh! ISO Motion. We appreciate the sub from everyone here in the Pop fam. Now we got Craven, the Helter, on the refractor. There's Groot. I am Groot on the refractor. It's just, there's a lot of the colors, like the purple shimmer, the blue. Phantasma just looks really good on a lot of the cards. 13 out of 299 for the Roller Derby Ghost Rider. Going out to the blue, Jay Nelson. Jay Nelson. I feel like it's been a long time since we've even seen a Carnage on the base right there. That was the first time I've seen in a long time. We got Vision, Phantasma, because we were talking about her. Rose Gold. Rose Gold Minute Diamond. First appearance. Ash. Wow. Hellrune. On the beautiful Minute Diamond Rose Gold. Well, that is 9 out of 40. Again, going out for that hitting mojo. The Cyclops yesterday, the orange one, right? Alright, where's the thing I said what the hell to? There it is. We're going to place that on the bottom. We'll get there at the end. It's not the bottom. I have one card in the back. Protect it. Y'all know how I work. Y'all know how I operate. Number one thing is the protection and ensuring the integrity of your cards. We got Norva, Medusa, blue-green shimmy shimmy ya for Golfer. Whap! Forge. Oh, he'd look sick on a red shimmer. Can you imagine? 36 out of 199. Beautiful green blue shimmy. Going out to Golfer. I feel like I've not hit a numbered Forge ever. That's definitely a false statement, but that's just how it feels. That's just how it feels. Spider-Man. We got another purple shimmy. Goodness. NFS. Oh, we see the symbol. We see that Omega symbol. There he is. Kind of looks like he just got caught stealing something. 42 out of 75. He's going, oh. Purple shimmy. There's Carnage. Another one because we were talking about him. Looks like Jack Sparrow. Parlay. I need a parlay. Those go maneuver for calculating less than a gold wave. I don't understand the market sometimes. Some people like to hold true to the, you know, I have a feel it's like the same reason why gold waves sell for less than the true golds. The market markets. The market is gonna market. It's gonna do its thing. You're gonna say, what the hell? And then that's just how it is. Alright, good luck on whatever this is, folks. I don't know what it is. Genuinely. I got Wolvie on the base. Ronin. Refractor. Alright, they've got Taskmaster. Now, what are you? Oh, dear Lord. Oh, dear Lord. Oh, dear Lord. Oh, man. Oh, that's a brutal random. Lucky number 7 on that one. Well, a first thing I gotta do is take a photo of this. Because that's ridiculous. That's ridiculous. Ash called it. Ash said there was gonna be a big random. Now I'm starting to wonder if Ash is behind all of it. Dear Lord. Dear Lord. Oh, man. I didn't mean to hit that. I threw Mr. Battle into a 2-second fit of rage. Oh, this one's gonna hurt. This one's gonna hurt. Absolute best of luck, everybody. Oh, man. I got 8 times. So much 8s the past 2 days. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. I got 8 times. 8 pips on the die. That is the killer mojo in full force. Full aggression. Ruthless aggression. Full force killer mojo right there. My goodness, Ash. My goodness, Ash. We have a recap. Oh, man. Alrighty, starting with $3.99, $2.99, $1.99, $75. We got 2 of them. Mr. Bombastic, Mr. Fantastic again, right in time for the release of the Fantastic Four. Chippendales. And there's Hellrune on the beautiful rose gold. Oh, I got... And, of course, where's Ash in chat? Where the heck he go? Yeah, I mean, that's just crazy. That is crazy. That was 2025 Topps Marvel Chrome 2-box. Pick your color number 44. Ah!